not so artificial, are we? The key to unleashing generative AI is in the prompts. Prompts, everybody. You know what a prompt is? It's something you're nudged to do. It's an indicator, it's a guidance point, you see? If I was to nudge you, I would say, hint, hint, go to the left, hint, hint, stand up straight. Those are prompts, those are nudges, okay? When it comes to prompts in the artificial intelligence, in the AI sphere, prompts can get crazy, they can get unique, they can get as deep and as crazily creative as you, the individual, prompting can be. What often I like to do is when I'm using generative AI, when I'm using ChatGPT to write any content, I will, at the end of the day, almost always put in there to put a particular tone on it. So, if I want to make a speech and I want to strike fear into the hearts of everyone, I will say, write this speech in the form of Bane from The Dark Knight Rises. And it works a treat. Okay, it may make the whole speech very dark and disturbing and that way inclined. However, it's very effective, and I think not many other people will write that prompt. It's quite unique to my thought process. Being said, prompts can elevate your content. Same way when it comes to if you were on stage, if you had a director giving you prompts on how to deliver a piece of performance, it works the same way. The more creative, the more expertly skilled, the more subject matter knowledge you have when it comes to creating an AI prompt, it will set you apart from the rest. There are dangers of generative AI when it comes to who owns it, the final product, who it's bastardizing the data from, because in the creative world, in the AI art world, when there is generative AI creating new pieces of content, there are massive question marks as to who is the owner, who is the originator, how do you cite, reference, and credit those people who have provided their data. And did those people who provided the data have a choice, have a say? Those are all important questions that need to be answered if your creative project using generative AI is to have any kind of credibility when it's presented in front of a mass audience or even a niche audience. You might think that it's not that important to credit people and to give context and to explain the story and the journey of how your generative art came to be. But I tell you now, it is massively important because it's about legitimacy. It's about being credited, accredited, because everybody is learning about generative AI. And those that learn about it through credible resources, credible pathways will reach this level, and those that just bungle their way through and guess their way through will reach this level. So which level do you want to be at? I ask you. My name is Tamar Oliver Lavender Robinson. I'm a social scientist, I'm from Luton, I'm a small business owner, and I'm one of Luton's very own. I also have a persona which helps clean up the environment called Red Hand, as in caught red-handed literally. So come with me on this journey, subscribe, like my videos, and then when there's an opportunity to meet with me in person, I would suggest you take it because you don't get that chance very often. The 100%, that is so true. I meet people so yeah, just get at me. You know, I'm accessible. That's the point. I'm accessible. Online, in person, Teddington, London, Luton, Bogota, the world. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Cool. Let's do it. This video is sponsored by the Business Production Company. The company, the production company, that's specializes in making creative media, creative content that'll blow your mind. So be sure to follow the Instagram account and keep your eye out for any content from the business production company. You've been warned.